My name is Ashley Boylan, and I went to see Dr. Britt for bunions I had. We had my right one removed on 10/31, and that went so well. I went and did the left one on 12/4, 4 weeks later. Now I am 2 weeks out of my boots altogether for both feet, and Lauren's helping me with my recovery. I'm having just a phenomenal experience with Dr. Britt and Lauren. The bedside manner and the comfortability that I had with Dr. Britt was amazing. He answered all my questions. Never once was I afraid or didn't think I was in good hands, because I was in good hands the entire time. I'm super thrilled with straight toes that I have. Now I'm just gonna get back to running. But Dr. Burney, I've seen him for years, and I'm so glad that Dr. Britt has joined his team, because other than that, I don't know if I would have gotten my bunions removed. I cannot say enough wonderful things about this practice and the doctors within this practice, along with the physical therapists. I would recommend anytime.